Hello everyone, my name is Subham Kumar. Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn how to translate a Spanish message into English. Let's get started. Level 1 Single word. Hello English ice cream. Ciao English word bye. Perfecto English word perfect. Great. Now let's move to short passages. Level 2 short passages. First, Curo pun. Word I want bread. Perfecto ciao. English word perfect bye. Unte kona sugar. English a tea with sugar. Excellent. Now let's start some questions and full sentences. Level 3 questions and full sentences. Curious vaso de agua. English word do you want a glass of water? Curious pun. English word do you want bread? Un helado que un té. English word is an ice cream and a tea. You throw. Great job today. Practice these passages regularly and you all speak in confidently in time. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next session. Ciao.